How to fix the TikTok shop not showing. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your TikTok shop not showing. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to check out that if your TikTok app is updated, and for that you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are currently using, and you just have to go in the search and you have to search for your TikTok. So now once you are in, you just have to click on it and make sure that your TikTok application is updated, and you have to make sure to update it with time to time. And after that you just have to go back and open up your TikTok. Now from here you have to click on this profile icon that is in the bottom right corner, and from here you have to go in the settings and the privacy to click on these three horizontal lines, and you have to simply click on it. Now once you are in, you just have to scroll down until you find this option of the report a problem. Again you have to scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the submit a report. You have to tap on it, and from here you just have to add your report, in which you have to type that you want to fix your TikTok shop that is not showing, and you have to type, and you also have to add your username and email address, and you just have to submit your report. And after submitting your report you have to wait for the TikTok to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can fix your TikTok shop not showing. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.